today I'm going to show you how we took over a 1950s house and created a beautiful modern farmhouse living room makeover. I'm Danielle at the Split Arrow Homestead, and if you've been following along with our journey, Chris and I recently bought a house and we're looking to turn it into a homestead. We're first tackling the inside, and then we're going to be taking it outside, getting ready for animals and vegetables and gardening and taking care of the woods, and we really hope that you want to join us along on this journey. Today I am going to show you some of the highlights that we've done inside. We did really have to work on a tight budget because we are looking to do so many different things and the house was kind of lacking in what it had. So first up was just kind of freshening up the living room and dining room, which I'm going to shoot to a B-roll now. This is what the living room and dining room looked like before. You can see that there's just really old wood paneling walls. The ceilings are super dirty and there's just a lot of dirt and not too much love. So what we needed to do was get our hands dirty and really change up the walls. That was kind of going to be the biggest differentiator in this room, and then just adding furniture to it. So we had to work with wood paneling, and if you've watched any other YouTube videos on how to change up wood paneling, it is a process. First, you need to sand down the walls completely, and this room is huge. So we had to sand down those walls, and then what we did was we primed. So we started from the ceilings, we primed everything on top, ceilings, walls, and then windows and baseboards. And for that, you just want to make sure like prepping is the #1 thing. So tape down everything, get down plastic, and get ready to jazz it up. So here again is a B-roll of us just painting everything. Today we primed this room. Look at her, so white. Even the ceiling.
I'm still not a fan of painting, and our doorknob's broken.
Yeah.
Poor doorknob.
Our door fell in the wind and got smushed in. So, another day, another doorknob. First, what we did was we sanded down those walls and we started to apply primer, and primer is going to be your best friend in a renovation like this. You need to make sure that you are getting the walls ready. When you're working with any type of wood or anything with a clear sheen over it that makes it shiny, then that means that it's not going to be as penetratable for the color. So you're going to want to sand that down, prime that baby up, and then once that primer has stuck and go, then we started to paint all of the white on it. And let me tell you, this was a huge project. I think it took us multiple days just to do. I mean, you do have to wait in between them, and we were going from my parents' house to our homestead. It was before we even lived here, so that was also pretty big, but we knew that we wanted to create this beautiful modern farmhouse. The biggest part of this room. They were the biggest changes, and I wanted to keep a lot of the old touches like the wooden doors still intact with that great kind of rustic look, and as you can see, it really offset the kind of vibe for the house. So we're really going with like a wood modern farmhouse appeal, and I hope that you guys really love what we've done and really enjoyed this video.